pre, which are called as question of polity and governance, come from hardcore polity and governance. Okay, आपके जो क्वेश्चन पॉलिटी में आएंगे ना, तो क्वेश्चंस which I wrote here, these 12 to 25 questions, they will be from traditional areas. For example, he can ask you what way or which house in the impeachment of the president acts as a quasi judicial body. Impeachment of the president में कौन सा हाउस quasi judicial body की तरह काम करता है? Now that is a conventional question. These questions will be conventional question, not current affairs question. Current affairs question will come in current affairs section. Am I clear? These areas, these sources are enough for pre. Magar please do one thing, and that's why I'm writing that in red. Apart from this, do one more thing to clear pre. Pre निकालने के लिए ये बहुत बहुत जरूरी है, इसके बिना बहुत मुश्किल होने वाला है. Tell me what can be the fourth area which is very much required for pre. Apart from these sources, पढ़ने के अलावा वो भी जरूरी है. सही कहा सर, मगर ये वाले previous year questions on polity which were first asked by UPSC. Now in the market there are books which are discussing 20 years previous year question of UPSC. वो 20 साल के क्वेश्चन है पिछले UPSC के, आप वो खरीदिए, उनको पढ़िए और प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. Please buy previous year question booklet available in the market, if possible 20 years, and go through each and every question. Because let me tell you, it's not because the question will get repeated. It's because every question you go through, which was set by UPSC. Point here na, UPSC sets a question which is not only to test your knowledge. UPSC puts question to test your decision making skill. आप मेरी बात समझ रहे हो? UPSC asks a question not to test your facts. UPSC asks a question to test your decision making skill. For example, he will give you a statement. In the statement, there are 5 options. All the 5 options will either appear wrong or all the 5 options will either appear right. सारे गलत लगेंगे या सारे सही लगेंगे? You have to choose the best. And choosing the best is the very difficult part of pre. Pre की problem ही है कि ambiguous statement. If the statement is not ambiguous, the options are very ambiguous, and you have to pick the best out of all the worst. So that comes with practice. वो जो best choose करने की हैबिट है ना, वो practice से आती है. और practice कीजिए पहले UPSC pre question, and after that you can go through the test series which is given to you by Vision IAS also. मगर पहले ये, उसके बाद test series question which are given by the institute. Enough. इसके बाहर do not go through various test series which are available. Do not go through, आपके इंटरेस्ट के लिए बोल रहा हूं, do not go through any other test series other than this. Previous year question and Vision IAS test series pre. But first previous year question of UPSC. Let's come to mains. Mains में what can be the sources? Mains में sources? Sources sir? पीछे सर मेंस के लिए क्या सोर्स लोगे? यस, न्यूज़पेपर तो है मगर इनफ. क्लास नोट्स में आई विल बी कवरिंग द ट्रेडिशनल पार्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, क्लास नोट्स में आई हैव ऑलरेडी कवर्ड प्रीएम्बल. ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में भी आ चुका है. I used to cover that. In the last 7 years, I am covering this preamble. Last to last year, the question has come in examination where they ask you, what are the adjectives in the preamble with the word republic? Matlab, he is asking, what are the words given with the word republic in the preamble? What are the words with the word republic in the preamble? Socialist, sovereign, democratic, secular, republic. And he said to what extent India can defend itself on these parameters. Matlab, is India socialist? Is India democratic? Is India secular? Is India sovereign? Is India republic? Justify. Now it was a highly analytical question which was discussed in the class. As such, the question came in examination. But let me tell you, questions of this nature will be only 40%. Out of all the questions, only 40% questions will be from traditional area. The remaining 60% question will be from current affairs. 60% question आएंगे current affairs से. In those 60% question, he can ask you any particular current event. Sir, have you seen the paper? Previous year paper देखा है आपने? Mains का? Yes? Have you seen? Can you give me an example of these questions which are current based question in polity? बहुत बढ़िया. This question has come in examination, the rift between Delhi CM and the LG. क्योंकि rift was in news. Now, but let me tell you, he didn't only ask you what has happened between Arvind Kejriwal and LG. ये उसमें interest नहीं उसको. Now he says, what is the reason in the constitution? Because of this, the rift has happened. Constitution की वजह से ही वो झगड़ा हुआ है. There is some provision which gives power to the government in Delhi, and there is a provision in the constitution which gives power to LG. So he says, what is the loophole in the constitution because of which LG and CM came in conflict? इसके लिए सर किसकी जरूरत है? करंट अफेयर्स की, ट्रेडिशनल की? दोनों की. Both. Here you require the knowledge of traditional also as well as current affairs to answer this question. He can ask you a question also. National litigation policy. When was the national litigation policy? Do we have it? Do we have a national litigation policy? Has sir? Do we have a national litigation policy? We do have a national litigation policy. मगर now government wants to revisit the policy. They want to change the policy. अब आप ये देखिए, ये जो national litigation policy है, question can come in GS paper 2. What are the shortcomings of national litigation policy because of which government wants to revisit it? What are the shortcomings in national litigation policy because of which government wants to revisit it? मतलब because of which government wants to change it. उसके लिए you have to have the knowledge of current. This is coming in newspaper. So this can come in exam also. Kashmir में, what is the reason governor rule is put? Or what is the importance of governor rule which it plays in the case of Kashmir? गवर्नर रूल क्या है, क्यों लगता है कश्मीर में, क्यों लगा, उसके प्रोविजन क्या है, ये जानना जरूरी है. Now this requires traditional knowledge as well as current knowledge. You have to combine them and you have to make an answer. Are you getting me or not? In mains, if the question will come, answer has to be given from traditional knowledge. Traditional knowledge will be given in the class notes as well as from current affairs. Current affairs will be given not to you, of course, in the class. Will be discussed in separate classes of current affairs. And you will be given some sources also. अभी मैं बताऊंगा आपको करंट कहां से करना है आपको. इसके लिए जो जरूरी चीज है, the most important part for pre was practicing previous year question. The people who are not writing, let me tell you, they will miss an important part. जो लोग लिख नहीं रहे, especially पीछे, they are missing a meat. बाद में I may not be able to repeat all these things. It's in your favor that you take it down. देखिए, previous year question are very important for pre because those questions can shape your thinking when you answer in pre. उसके बाद मेंस में, in mains what is important? What is important? Equally important in mains, parallel. हाँ जी सर. Answer writing. Answer writing skills. Skills, I say skills because this comes with practice. देखिए, people who are from science background, particularly engineers, there must be many. होंगे काफी सारे ना. So people who are from science background, particularly engineers, they do not have the habit of writing answers. But people from humanities background, they may be having a practice of writing answers. So if you come from science background and specifically from engineering background, please focus on answer writing. Answer writing इसलिए because you know, you feel that when we have read the concept, we'll answer it. ऐसा नहीं होता है. You have read the concept, but what he has asked is not exactly what you have read. Are you getting me or not? What you have read and what he's asking may be different. You have to modulate your understanding to meet the demand of the question. What you have read and what he's asking may be different. You have to adjust that accordingly to the demand of the question. For example, आपने गवर्नर के बारे में सब कुछ पढ़ लिया. You read everything about governor. He may not be asking what is the process you appoint a governor or what is the process you remove the governor. He's asking you an analysis. Analysis देने का तरीका लिख के आता है, प्रैक्टिस से आता है. दूसरी बात, यूपीएससी आस्क क्वेश्चन विच आर वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डिसाइफर ऑल्सो. क्वेश्चन को समझना भी बड़ा मुश्किल है, वो आता है प्रैक्टिस से. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही कैन गिव यू 20 लाइनर क्वेश्चन. 20 लाइन में क्वेश्चन, ऐसा हो चुका है. 20 लाइन का तो नहीं था मगर लंबा क्वेश्चन था. इट्स अ लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन. यू रीड द क्वेश्चन एंड यू बिकम फियरफुल. यार आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन, समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा. यू बिकम फियरफुल बाय सीइंग द लेंथ ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. अदरवाइज क्वेश्चन वाज वेरी वेरी सिंपल. With practice, you start understanding the demand of the question. इसलिए answer writing skill has to be inculcated with answer writing practice. And from where to practice? यहां प्रीवियस ईयर आप मत करना. Here do not practice the previous year question of mains क्योंकि those questions must be based on those years current affairs and you may not be familiar with those. Okay, so practice mains question from Vision IAS test series. They will open the test series for you also, as well as in class also they will be giving you daily assignment. So please practice answer writing from daily assignments given to you in the class and the test series given to you for mains. Vision IAS की test series होगी, अब वो कर लीजिए और क्लास में जो क्वेश्चन देंगे वो कर लीजिए. प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन करने में नुकसान ये है, दे मे आस्क यू क्वेश्चन which is based on previous year current affairs and you are not familiar with those. अभी वो यही पूछ लेता है आपसे, special status given to Kashmir, was it temporary or permanent? Now you cannot answer this because this issue came in news last to last year and Supreme Court gave a judgment on this, High Court gave a judgment on this and we are not aware about it. तो जब आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ोगे आपको चक्कर आएगा. चक्कर नहीं, आपकी गलती नहीं है, क्वेश्चन उस साल के करंट अफेयर्स पे बेस्ड था, इसलिए आप आंसर नहीं कर पाए उसको. अंडरस्टूड? सही यहां तक सर? मार्क्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, सोर्सेस, थर्ड एज इज आस्क्ड नोट्स. Is note making required? जरूरत है? सर जरूरत है? बिल्कुल है. If you ask me, then the answer is yes. Notes have to be made. Notes must be made. क्योंकि when I give you an information and you read it, you may retain only 40%. क्योंकि नोट्स वर प्रिपेयर्ड बाय मी, आप उसको लगा रहे हो रट्टा. रट्टा लगाना गिव्स यू ओनली सम इंफॉर्मेशन. पॉइंट क्लियर? सो ट्राई टू मेक योर ओन नोट्स बाय गोइंग थ्रू द स्टैंडर्ड सोर्सेज ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. एक चीज मैं बताने आपको भूल गया कि करंट अफेयर्स कहां से पढ़ना है. व्हाट कैन द सोर्सेज ऑफ करंट अफेयर्स? एनीबडी? सर हाँ, करंट अफेयर्स के लिए बेस्ट सोर्स है newspaper, right? Newspaper. Which newspaper? The Hindu was a good paper, but now I feel there is a danger in reading Hindu, because point is this: every paper, believe it or not, is actually affiliated to one political camp, and this paper is particularly now going quite anti-government. है ना, लेफ्टिस्ट कह लो या एंटी गवर्नमेंट कह लो, कंपल्सरी क्रिटिसिज्म. पीएन भागवती, जस्टिस पीएन भागवती was a luminary in this area of law, but in Hindu there was a whole article in which from top to bottom they simply criticized P.N. Bhagwati. P.N. Bhagwati was the brain behind starting Lok Adalat as a concept. P.N. Bhagwati had a big role in starting this concept of PIL, public interest litigation. And this man who wrote the article in the paper, from head to toe, he only criticized this man. Did not he do even a single thing which was right? अरे कुछ तो अच्छा भी किया होगा उन्होंने, ये सब गलत किया. The point is this: Hindu sometimes gives very venomous article. They may be right, मगर for us it is highly dangerous. When you take only darker side of the things, it is very dangerous. Do not see black or white in every issue. See grey. हर चीज में कुछ अच्छा भी है, कुछ बुरा भी है. आप देखो, in this thing, this is good, this is not so good, and this can be improved this way. UPSC aspirant should have this orientation. इस चीज में ये गलत है, सॉरी ये सही है, ये उतना सही नहीं है, और इसको ऐसे इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं. This is good about it, this is not so good about it, and this way I can improve it. ऐसे लोग चाहिए उनको. They don't want the people who can only criticize. They want the people who can constructively give some kind of feedback. इसीलिए I feel in this context Indian Express is relatively better. मगर if you are tuned to Hindu, अगर आपको हिंदू पढ़ने की आदत है, प्रैक्टिस है, go with Hindu, ऐसी भी कोई ट्रबल नहीं है. But if you ask me out of the two, one, I go for Express. They also come with various provisions. I say they come with a page known as Explain, in which they take a particular concept and they take it in and out. Matlab they analyze the concept completely. NRC, for example, National Register for Citizens. What is NRC? Why it is good? What is the controversy around it? ये पूरा page पे आया हुआ है इसके अंदर. So this way, Indian Express I feel is better. Other than this, second source, current affairs का? हाँ जी? हाँ sir. Other than this, the other source is your monthly magazine. Monthly magazine, which magazine? Vision की कर लो, बहुत अच्छी है. Though I don't force anybody, और force कर भी नहीं सकता, मगर सिर्फ सजेशन यही है कि एक मंथली मैगजीन भी बहुत है. न्यूज़पेपर के साथ one monthly magazine is enough. Okay, do not run after every magazine which is being sold in the market. इसकी उसकी सब उठा लिया. Probably it can happen if you refer to 6 magazine. You may read the 6 same content in 6 magazine. मगर if you read one, read it 6 times. टाइम जो बचेगा उसको बार बार पढ़ो उसी चीज को एक ही जगह से. And if you have a doubt, please open Google and search for the information. For example, if in the paper comes an article on NRC and you could not understand it, open Google और उसमें डाल के समझो. हाँ, आजकल हर इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल है मार्केट के अंदर, नेट के ऊपर. Every information today is available on the net. If you have a doubt, put the information in Google and get the details of it and try to understand it in perspective. For example, if you could not understand NRC from magazine, no problem. Put NRC in the Google and information will come to you and use the information for your understanding. Here people are required who are proactive. Do not depend on one teacher, do not depend upon one book, do not depend upon any particular coaching. Be assertive, depend on your own self. देखिए, I will come to class, I will give whatever best I can give to you. And I'll try to give whatever I can give to you. Do the level best possible. मगर beyond that also, if you feel something is required, do not keep waiting for teacher. कि वो आएंगे तभी पूछूंगा, वरना इंटरनेट हम यूज करते हैं. Take the help of internet also. Monthly magazine, Vision IS. Apart from this, there is one more source to which you must refer. सर, नीति आयोग की वेबसाइट में जाने से अच्छा है कि just go through these things. Debates. Daily refer to one debate. Daily refer to one debate which comes on which channel? हाँ, राज्यसभा टीवी और लोकसभा टीवी, whatever टीवी. एक डिबेट आप रोज का देख लो, एक डिबेट कोई भी. ओके, एंड डू नॉट गो थ्रू particularly 3 debates because they to increase BP, not knowledge. उनमें से एक है टाइम्स नाउ, अदर इज रिपब्लिक. ओके, बोथ कमर्शियल, ऑफ नो यूज. तीसरा एनडीटीवी विच इज नाउ एंटी गवर्नमेंट टू द एक्सटेंट पॉसिबल. उससे भी कोई फायदा नहीं है. पॉइंट क्लियर. राज्यसभा लोकसभा टीवी, दे गिव यू मोर बैलेंस्ड ओपिनियन. यस, दे गो वेरी स्लो, समटाइम पेनफुली स्लो, मगर ठीक है, इंफॉर्मेशन तो लेनी है ना हमको. सो इफ यू आस्क मी, go through the debate on Rajya Sabha TV or Lok Sabha TV. One daily comes on Rajya Sabha TV and Lok Sabha TV, and depending on the topic they are discussing, you can choose. जरूरी नहीं है डेली राज्य सभा टीवी रेफर करो, टॉपिक देख के चूज कर लीजिए आप. ठीक है सर. एंड नाउ वट एवर यू रीड इन दीज थिंग्स, मेक योर ओन नोट्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टुडे यू रेड समथिंग इन द पेपर, मेक योर ओन नोट्स. मेक दोज नोट्स डेट वाइज और टॉपिक वाइज. बहुत ही बढ़िया, कोरस में सबने आंसर दिया टॉपिक वाइज. Topic wise notes should be made, not date wise. ठीक है सर. For example, make a register in which you write all the information about polity. Whatever has happened in the last 1 year or 2 years in the office of president, keep writing at one place. President के ऑफिस में पिछले 2 साल में जो भी हुआ है उसको एक जगह लिखिए. President Pranab Mukherjee warned the government. President Pranab Mukherjee refused to sign the ordinance. President Pranab Mukherjee commuted the death sentence of 4 prisoners in Bihar jail. Pranab Mukherjee appreciated the government for using the time in Lok Sabha. समझ रहे हो मेरी बात को. जो भी हुआ है in the office of president, write at one place. Then take some more topic. Governor. Whatever has happened in the office of governor, write in one place. In the last 2 years, whatever has happened in the office of governor, उसको एक जगह लिखिए. Make one register. Divide the register topic wise. Dedicate 3, 4 pages to every topic. And whatever has happened in those areas, write that. so that by the end of the year, you have a collection of events which has happened in that particular area. Whatever now, let him ask, भाई देखो, वो भी जो क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, वो भी तो करंट अफेयर्स बेस्ड ही होगा. Now let him ask any question on governor. If you have in grip the current happenings, you can answer any question on the area. Current event जिसको पता है, वो आंसर कर देगा. एक बार क्वेश्चन आ चुका है. In the last 1 year, what have been the instances of ethnic violence and what is the common underlying cause? What have been the instances of ethnic violence and what have been the common underlying cause in those violences? Now let me tell you.